In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Microsoft Loop page in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Microsoft Loop or looking to streamline your workflow, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you're set up and ready to start creating your pages efficiently. First, open your preferred internet browser and search for Microsoft Loop. You'll want to navigate to the official Microsoft Loop website to ensure you're accessing all the latest features and updates. Once you're there, sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't already have an account, you can easily create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, it's quite common to be prompted for your password or to receive a one-time password or OTP via email. This is an essential layer of security to protect your account and information. Once you've provided the necessary credentials, you'll land on the Microsoft Loop dashboard, your central hub for creating and organizing Loop pages. Next, on the dashboard, direct your attention to the Workspaces section. This is where you'll find all the workspaces that are linked to your account. Select the workspace that you need to work in. This helps keep all your pages organized and accessible. To the top left of your screen, you should notice the Loop icon, ideally placed next to the name of the currently opened page. This serves as a quick point of reference, ensuring you always know where you are within the tool. Besides the workspaces, observe the list of pages within the currently selected workspace. This feature is particularly useful for quick navigation, allowing you to jump from one page to another seamlessly without getting lost. It's a great time saver, especially when managing multiple pages or projects. Now, to create a new page, hover your cursor over the list of pages. Towards the bottom of the list, as you move past the last listed page, you'll see an option to Create a New Page. Click on this option and voila! You're ready to start building your new Microsoft Loop page. From here, you can begin customizing your page to suit your needs, whether that's for work, personal projects, or collaborative efforts. Microsoft Loop offers a range of tools and templates to help tailor your pages precisely as you need them. And there you have it. Creating a Microsoft Loop page is really as straightforward as that. With these steps, you're now equipped to structure your projects digitally, enhancing both your productivity and collaborative efforts. Remember to experiment with the tools and features to fully leverage the platform's potential. Thanks for watching, and happy looping!